Number 1. A wood chipper is an industrial machine designed to process wood logs and branches efficiently. It operates by chipping wood into smaller pieces or chips utilized in landscaping, composting, and biomass production. Number 2. The Vortex stump grinder employs a high-speed spinning wheel with teeth to grind and remove tree stumps effectively. It's used in land clearing, landscaping, and forestry applications. Number 3. This massive hydraulic mining excavator boasts immense digging power and a substantial payload capacity. It's employed in large-scale mining operations, handling heavy-duty earth-moving tasks with ease. Number 4. The Case 150 is a versatile construction machine. Known for its durability and adaptability, it excels in various tasks such as excavation, grading, lifting, and loading on construction sites. Number 5. Renowned for its mobility and strength, this excavator is utilized in construction, excavation, and utility work for its efficiency in digging and lifting operations. Number 6. The PC3006 excavator integrates advanced technology to deliver superior performance in demanding excavation projects, ensuring high efficiency and reliability. Number 7. Known for its loading capacity and efficiency, the Volvo L330E is employed in mining, quarrying, and large-scale construction projects for its ability to handle heavy loads with precision. Number 8. This specialized trenching machine efficiently creates precise trenches in challenging terrains, commonly used in utility and pipeline installations. Number 9. Tailored for handling slag in industrial settings, the Technic Hero Slag Taurus offers efficient solutions for slag processing, enhancing productivity in such industries. Number 10. A robust bulldozer recognized for its power and versatility, the Caterpillar D8 excels in land clearing, grading, and pushing tasks in construction and mining operations. Number 11. This cutting tool is known for its precision, efficiently cutting and shaping various materials in industrial processes to improve productivity. Number 12. Crucial for material handling in mining and quarry operations, these loaders ensure high efficiency and reliability in transporting heavy materials. Number 13. This machine is dedicated to precise stone cutting in the construction and stone cutting industry, ensuring accuracy and efficiency. Number 14. Optimizing material handling and transportation, this machine enhances efficiency in logistics, warehouses, and material movement. Number 15. Designed for quarry environments, this excavator efficiently extracts minerals and handles heavy loads in demanding conditions. Number 16. Swiftly clearing debris and leaves from outdoor spaces, this blower ensures cleanliness with its efficient debris clearing capabilities. Number 17. Efficient in moving and spreading earth, the Tech Scraper plays a vital role in land leveling and grading for construction and agriculture. Number 18. Adaptable and efficient, the Force Pro machine serves various industrial applications, ensuring high productivity in manufacturing processes. Number 19. Offering innovative solutions for composite manufacturing processes, Chemrock machines significantly enhance efficiency in material production. Number 20. These specialized machines efficiently handle underwater construction and maintenance tasks, providing crucial support in underwater operations. Number 21. Renowned for its power and precision, this excavator is suitable for heavy-duty excavation and mining projects. Number 20. Specifically designed for drainage operations, this machine efficiently manages drainage tasks, contributing to agricultural land productivity. Number 23. Excelling in maneuverability, these machines navigate challenging terrains efficiently, owing to their rubber-tracked undercarriage. Number 24. This wheel loader efficiently handles heavy materials, facilitating faster loading and unloading in mining and construction activities. Number 25. Known for its efficiency in material handling and loading tasks, this Volvo model ensures operational productivity in various industries. Number 26. Versatile in design, the crawler digger efficiently performs digging and excavation tasks across various terrains, offering flexibility and efficiency. Number 27. This machine is designed for surface mining and site preparation, It efficiently cuts through various terrains, including rock and soil, providing precise leveling and surface control. Number 28, known for its efficiency in removing asphalt or concrete surfaces. The Wortgen W210i cold milling machine is used in road construction and rehabilitation projects. Number 29, the Kobelco SK350LC offers powerful digging force and hydraulic performance, making it suitable for mid-size excavation projects in construction and utility work. Number 30, this excavator by Doosan is versatile and efficient, suitable for various digging and loading applications in construction, excavation, and landscaping projects. Number 31, the Caterpillar 773G is a high-capacity haul truck used in mining and large-scale earth-moving operations, offering durability and productivity in hauling heavy materials. Number 30, renowned for its hauling capacity and off-road capabilities, the Volvo A4OG is an articulated dump truck used in mining, quarrying, and large construction sites. Number 33, this mobile crane is renowned for its lifting capacity and versatility. It's used in heavy lifting operations in construction sites, industrial facilities, and infrastructure projects. Number 34, the JLG1850SJ offers exceptional height and outreach capabilities, ideal for accessing high-rise construction sites or industrial maintenance projects. Number 35, the Dynapack CA3500D compactor efficiently compacts soil and aggregates in road construction and earthwork projects, ensuring stable and durable surfaces. Number 36, this material handler is used in scrap handling, port operations, and recycling facilities. It efficiently manages and moves materials with precision. Number 37, renowned for its lifting capacity and mobility. The Terex AC1000 is used in various heavy lifting applications in construction and infrastructure projects. Number 38, this asphalt paver is designed for paving roads and highways, ensuring precise and even surfaces in asphalt laying projects. Number 39, known for its durability and versatility. The JCB437ZX will loader efficiently handles material loading and stockpiling tasks in various construction and mining applications. Number 40, the Ham HD Plus 110 IVV compactor offers precise compaction in road construction and pavement projects, ensuring uniform and stable surfaces. Number 1, the M10 is known for its efficiency in medium to large scale drilling projects, while the E10 is more compact and suitable for smaller drilling jobs. Both rigs are equipped with powerful hydraulic systems, allowing for precise control and smooth operation. They feature a sturdy construction to withstand harsh working environments and can be easily transported to different job sites with innovative technology and robust engineering. The Bolt M10 and E10 drilling rigs are trusted by professionals in the drilling industry worldwide. Number 2, the Comptech Top Turn X is a cutting-edge turning center designed for precision machining operations in various industries, including aerospace, automotive, and medical. It offers high-speed rotation, exceptional accuracy, and advanced automation features to optimize productivity and efficiency. The Top Turn X incorporates state-of-the-art CNC technology, allowing for complex machining processes with minimal human intervention. Its rigid structure and stable performance ensure consistent results even during heavy-duty machining tasks, with customizable configurations and user-friendly controls. The Comptech Top Turn X is a versatile solution for manufacturers seeking to enhance their machining capabilities. Number 3, the Top Cleaner Greenhouse Roof Cleaner is an innovative machine specifically designed for maintaining the cleanliness of greenhouse roofs. It utilizes advanced cleaning mechanisms to remove dirt, dust, and debris from the surface of the greenhouse, ensuring optimal light transmission for plant growth. The cleaner is equipped with durable brushes or scrubbers that effectively scrub away stubborn stains without damaging the roof material. It can be operated manually or automated for convenience, offering adjustable settings to accommodate different greenhouse sizes and configurations. With its efficient cleaning performance and user-friendly design, The top cleaner greenhouse roof cleaner is an essential tool for greenhouse operators striving to maintain a healthy growing environment for their crops. Number for the Vermeer T655 trencher is a heavy-duty machine designed for digging trenches in challenging terrains, such as rocky soil or compacted earth. It offers exceptional power, precision, and versatility, making it ideal for various underground construction projects, including pipeline installation, cable laying, and utility trenching. The T655 features a robust frame and high-strength components to withstand rigorous excavation tasks while maintaining stability and durability. Its advanced digging mechanism ensures smooth and efficient trenching operations, reducing downtime and increasing productivity on the job site. Equipped with innovative technology and ergonomic controls, the Vermeer T655 trencher delivers superior performance and operator comfort, making it a preferred choice among contractors and construction professionals worldwide. Number 5. The tree planting machine is a specialized equipment used for mechanized tree planting in forestry and reforestation projects. It automates the process of digging holes, placing seedlings, and covering roots with soil, significantly reducing the time and labor required for tree planting operations. Depending on the specific model and manufacturer, tree planting machines may vary in size, capacity, and functionality. Some machines are designed to plant seedlings in rows, while others offer more flexible planting patterns to adapt to different terrain conditions. With its efficiency and precision, the tree planting machine plays a crucial role in promoting afforestation efforts and environmental sustainability. Number 6. The Brat 35.3 Road Trencher is a specialized machine designed for cutting trenches in road construction and maintenance projects. It features a robust cutting mechanism capable of slicing through asphalt, concrete, and compacted soil with ease. The trencher offers adjustable cutting depths and widths to accommodate various roadwork requirements, such as laying underground utilities, installing drainage systems, or repairing pavement surfaces equipped with powerful engines and hydraulic systems. The Brat 35.3 delivers high performance and efficiency on the job site, reducing manual labor and enhancing productivity with its rugged construction and reliable operation. This road trencher is a valuable asset for contractors and road maintenance crews seeking to streamline their operations and deliver quality results. Number 7. The Bazooka Farmstar Wolverine Agitation Boat is a specialized vessel designed for agitating and mixing manure in liquid storage lagoons or pits on livestock farms. It features a robust hull and propulsion system that allows it to navigate through shallow waters and maneuver in tight spaces. The agitation boat is equipped with powerful pumps and agitation mechanisms that efficiently mix and homogenize manure, preventing solids from settling and ensuring uniform nutrient distribution. With its high-capacity pumping capabilities and long-reach agitation arms, the Wolverine agitation boat can effectively agitate large volumes of manure, reducing the need for manual labor and improving overall farm efficiency. Designed for durability and reliability, this specialized vessel is an essential tool for modern livestock operations seeking to manage manure effectively while minimizing environmental impact. Number 8. The Traco Mini Dozer M27 and Mini Loader are compact, yet powerful machines designed for various earth-moving and landscaping tasks in confined spaces. The Mini Dozer M27 features a track design that provides excellent traction and maneuverability on rough terrain, making it ideal for grading, leveling, and clearing operations. It is equipped with a rugged blade or bucket attachment that allows for efficient soil movement and material handling. On the other hand, the Mini Loader offers similar functionality, but with a wheeled configuration, providing versatility for different job site requirements. Both machines are powered by efficient engines and feature ergonomic controls for ease of operation. With their compact size and impressive performance, the Traco Mini Dozer M27 and Mini Loader are popular choices among contractors, landscapers, and rental companies seeking reliable equipment for small-scale earth-moving projects. Number 9. The M & Brook CT12 Trencher is a compact and versatile machine designed for digging trenches in various soil conditions. It is commonly used in landscaping, irrigation, and utility installation projects where precision trenching is required. The CT12 features a durable construction and powerful digging mechanism that allows it to cut through soil, clay, and gravel with ease. It offers adjustable cutting depths and widths to accommodate different trenching requirements, making it suitable for both residential and commercial applications. Equipped with user-friendly controls and ergonomic features, the CT12 ensures operator comfort and safety during operation. With its reliable performance and low maintenance requirements, this trencher is a valuable asset for contractors and landscapers seeking to enhance their productivity and efficiency on the job site. Number 10. The Green Climber LV800 Pro Remote-Controlled Slope Mower is an advanced machine designed for vegetation management on steep slopes and difficult terrain. It features a remote-controlled operation system that allows operators to safely maneuver the mower on slopes up to 60 degrees without risking personal injury. The LV800 Pro is equipped with a powerful engine and heavy-duty cutting blades that can tackle thick vegetation, brush, and weeds with ease. Its compact size and low center of gravity ensure stability and maneuverability on uneven terrain, while its adjustable cutting height and width provide versatility for different mowing applications. With its innovative technology and rugged construction, the Green Climber LV800 Pro offers unmatched performance and efficiency in slope mowing operations, making it. This is 6090 FS hydraulic shovel, Liebherr PR 776 bulldozer, 6015B hydraulic mining shovel. I'll be exploring in all of them, and we're starting with Caterpillar 6090 FS hydraulic shovel. A massive machine effortlessly moves over 100 cubic meters in one scoop. Number 2. The Liebherr PR 776 bulldozer, an engineering masterpiece in the construction and earth-moving domain. Powered by a robust Liebherr diesel engine, this behemoth showcases remarkable strength and agility, handling challenging terrains with precision. Equipped with a heavy-duty blade and innovative technology, it's a heavyweight contender designed for maximum efficiency and safety on construction sites. Number 3. Caterpillar 99-4K wheel loader. Next on our journey is the Caterpillar 99-4K wheel loader, a machine that sets new standards in construction and material handling. Featuring a powerful Caterpillar C32 engine, this loader effortlessly maneuvers through tasks, boasting a bucket capacity of over 40 cubic meters. With its robust build and advanced systems, it stands as a symbol of efficiency and productivity in heavy-duty operations. Number 4. Hitachi EX8000-7 mining excavator. Stepping into the spotlight is the Hitachi EX8000-7 mining excavator, a technological giant in the mining industry. This colossal excavator, powered by a high-performance engine, handles vast amounts of earth with a bucket capacity exceeding 45 cubic meters. Its extended reach and impressive digging capabilities make it a force to be reckoned with in large-scale mining operations. Number 5. Volvo A60G articulated hauler. Introducing the Volvo A60G articulated hauler, a powerhouse engineered for heavy-duty missions in mining and earth-moving. Powered by a Volvo D16 engine, this hauler effortlessly transports payloads exceeding 55 metric tons across challenging terrains. With its durable construction and innovative design, it ensures reliability and efficiency in the transportation of heavy loads. Number 6. Komatsu D475A8 Super Dozer. Meet the Komatsu D475A8 Super Dozer, a technological marvel in the realm of bulldozers, powered by a formidable Komatsu engine. This dozer boasts incredible pushing power and agility, equipped with advanced features for precision control and a sturdy blade. It dominates earth-moving tasks with unmatched efficiency and reliability. Number 7. Liebherr T280 for mining truck. Introducing the Liebherr T280 for mining truck, a colossal hauler redefining the standards of heavy-duty transportation in mining operations, with its robust Liebherr diesel engine and an impressive payload capacity of over 400 metric tons. This truck effortlessly moves massive amounts of material across rugged terrains, ensuring optimal productivity and efficiency. Number 8. Sandvik DT1132i Tunneling Jumbo. Enter the Sandvik DT1132i Tunneling Jumbo, an advanced machine revolutionizing tunnel construction. This powerful jumbo drill rig, equipped with innovative Sandvik technology, excels in creating tunnels with precision and speed. Featuring automated drilling system. Number 9. Hitachi ZX870 LC6 Excavator. The Hitachi ZX870 LC6 excavator stands as a symbol of sheer power and efficiency in the construction industry, powered by a high-performance engine. This excavator boasts exceptional digging capabilities with a bucket capacity exceeding 5 cubic meters. Its advanced hydraulic system and intelligent design ensure optimal performance in various excavation tasks. Number 10. Caterpillar 6015B Hydraulic Mining Shovel. The Caterpillar 6015B Hydraulic Mining Shovel is a pinnacle of innovation in the mining sector, featuring a robust Caterpillar engine and a massive shovel capacity. This hydraulic shovel efficiently handles large-scale mining operations with its advanced control systems and durability. It's designed to tackle the toughest challenges in the mining industry. These machines represent the forefront of technological advancements, reshaping the construction and mining sectors with their unmatched capabilities and precision. Number 1. The Green Climber LV800 Pro is a rugged slope mower designed to tackle challenging terrains with precision. With its powerful engine and advanced cutting mechanisms, it efficiently maintains slopes and inclines that would otherwise be difficult to access. Its robust build ensures durability and reliability even in rugged environments. Equipped with ergonomic controls, operators can maneuver it with precision, enhancing productivity and safety. The LV800 Pro is favored by landscaping professionals and municipal maintenance teams for its ability to handle steep slopes effectively. Number 2. The M21 Remote-Controlled Crawler by Bergmann represents cutting-edge technology in remote-controlled machinery, built for versatility and precision. This crawler excels in various applications, including construction, inspection, and surveillance tasks in challenging environments. Its remote control functionality allows operators to navigate through tight spaces and hazardous areas without exposing themselves to potential risks. Equipped with advanced sensors and cameras, it provides real-time feedback to operators, enhancing situational awareness and operational efficiency. The M21's robust construction ensures reliability and durability even in harsh conditions, making it a valuable asset for industries requiring remote-controlled solutions. Number 3. The Helix AR2 is an innovative amphibious robot designed for diverse aquatic environments, combining mobility and versatility. It performs a range of tasks such as environmental monitoring, research, and underwater inspections. Its amphibious capabilities allow seamless transition between land and water, enabling efficient operation in challenging terrains. Equipped with advanced sensors and imaging systems, the AR2 gathers valuable data for scientific research and environmental management. Its modular design facilitates customization according to specific requirements, making it adaptable to various applications. The Helix AR2 represents a breakthrough in aquatic robotics, offering a cost-effective and efficient solution for tasks traditionally performed by human divers or expensive underwater vehicles. Number 4. The Mini Muckegg Mobile Walking Excavator is a versatile and agile machine designed for precision excavation and material handling in challenging terrains. Its unique walking mechanism allows it to navigate rough terrain with ease, offering stability and mobility in various environments. Equipped with advanced hydraulic systems and attachments, it efficiently performs tasks such as digging, lifting, and loading. The mobile walking excavator's compact design enables it to access confined spaces and work in areas where traditional excavators cannot reach. It is a valuable asset for construction, forestry, and landscaping applications where mobility and versatility are essential. Number 5. The high-performance RMW1500 is a state-of-the-art road milling machine designed for efficient pavement removal and surface preparation, equipped with a powerful milling drum and advanced cutting technology. It can quickly and accurately remove asphalt and concrete surfaces, preparing them for resurfacing or repair. Its high-performance engine and hydraulic systems ensure smooth operation and consistent milling results even in demanding conditions. The RMW1500's ergonomic cabin design provides operators with comfort and control, enhancing productivity and safety on the job site. It is widely used in road construction, maintenance, and rehabilitation projects where precise and efficient milling is essential for achieving quality results. Number 6. Palfinger truck-mounted cranes offer versatility and reliability in lifting and material handling operations, mounted on trucks for mobility and accessibility. These cranes are used in a wide range of industries, including construction, transportation, and logistics. With various models and lifting capacities available, they can handle diverse loads and applications, from loading and unloading cargo to lifting heavy equipment and materials. Palfinger's advanced control systems and safety features ensure precise and safe operation, maximizing productivity and minimizing downtime. Whether used in urban construction sites or remote locations, Palfinger truck-mounted cranes provide efficient lifting solutions for various tasks and industries. Number 7. Bolt M10 and E10 drilling rigs are versatile machines designed for exploration and production drilling in mining, construction, and geotechnical applications. Equipped with powerful drilling mechanisms and advanced control systems, they can penetrate various rock formations and soil types with precision and efficiency. The M10 and E10 rigs offer flexibility in drilling methods, including rotary, percussive, and core drilling, allowing operators to adapt to different geological conditions and project requirements. With robust construction and reliable performance, these rigs are suitable for both surface and underground drilling operations, providing accurate and consistent results in challenging environments. Number 8. The M. and Brook CT12 Trencher is a specialized machine designed for trenching and excavation tasks in construction, utility installation, and landscaping projects. Equipped with a high-speed digging chain and adjustable cutting depth, it can quickly and efficiently create trenches for laying cables, pipes, and drainage systems. The CT12's compact design and maneuverability make it suitable for use in tight spaces and urban environments. Its rugged construction and reliable performance ensure durability and productivity on the job site, with versatile attachments and customization options available. The CT12 Trencher is a valuable tool for contractors and utility companies seeking efficient and cost-effective trenching solutions. Number 9. The Dynapac SD2500CS Asphalt Paver is a high-performance machine designed for precision asphalt paving on road construction projects. Equipped with advanced features and technology, it offers exceptional versatility and efficiency in laying asphalt layers with precision and uniformity. The SD2500CS's innovative design includes a hydraulically extendable screed that allows for variable paving widths, enabling flexibility to accommodate various road widths and project requirements. Its powerful engine and intelligent control systems ensure smooth and consistent operation, even in challenging conditions. The machine's operator-friendly interface provides intuitive controls for adjusting paving parameters, optimizing performance, and ensuring quality results with its high paving speed and accuracy. The Dynapac SD2500CS Asphalt Paver enhances productivity and reduces construction time, making it a preferred choice for contractors and highway agencies worldwide. Whether paving highways, city streets, or airport runways, the SD2500CS delivers superior performance and reliability, contributing to the smooth and durable surfaces essential for safe and efficient transportation. Infrastructure. Number 10. The JCB Pothole Pro is a specialized machine designed for efficient road repair and maintenance, equipped with advanced technology and innovative features. It offers a fast and cost-effective solution for repairing potholes and damaged road surfaces. Its integrated patching system allows operators to fill and compact asphalt or concrete patches in a single pass, reducing downtime and traffic disruption. The Pothole Pro's compact size and maneuverability make it suitable for use in urban areas and congested roadways. With its user-friendly controls and ergonomic design, it enables operators to work comfortably and efficiently. Maximizing productivity on road repair projects, the JCB Pothole Pro is a valuable asset for municipalities, contractors, and highway maintenance crews seeking reliable and efficient pothole repair solutions. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video informative. Don't forget to subscribe.